healthy breakfast. You can soak all these ingredients in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you can add mashed bananas and apple, half bowl oats, chia seeds 1 teaspoon, milk 1 glass. If you have a strong digestive system, you can easily mix milk and yogurt together, but if it doesn't suit you, feel free to use either just yogurt or just milk as your base. Two mashed bananas, add in the morning. Half apple, add in the morning. Yogurt half bowl. Eating it fresh, make sure to chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour so the oats and chia seeds can soak properly. Coconut 1 tablespoon. Almond and pistachio. Honey as your taste. No sugar use. This ultimate breakfast bowl is amazing for your overall health. It boosts your energy levels and keeps you full for hours, which naturally helps with weight loss. It is packed with proteins and fiber to keep your heart and gut healthy. If you like my recipes, don't forget, subscribe and like my channel.